All right, hey, glad to have you guys back. This is the virtual classroom, so things are going to be a little bit different. I'm going to use this mechanism quite a bit to do our work together on, so I want you to become comfortable with it. So much so that we're going to now have engagement assignments to get you ready for whatever it is we're going to learn. So to get a look at this, let's go to our Schoology.com, go up to the top here. I think I got a tab open, and yeah, I'm going to go to Schoology, click on my courses. And you want to always make sure you're in the right course. And to make sure we're in the right course, click on courses. Let's go to accounting. A couple of things I want you to recognize. One, there's the update section. When you go to updates, you'll see two types of updates. There's the virtual week update. That's here at the top. And then what we used to do in the classroom. No need to pay any attention to what we used to do. I want you to now start looking at the virtual weeks. Here's the difference. I'm going to put the entire week in one section. So for the entire week, you'll have week 1, day 1, and what we want to get done. There's always the big idea, content goal, language goal, social goal. But then underneath that, you'll see engagement. There will be something that I want to engage with, and I want to get back to time travels. Time travels is when you use your video recorder to tell me what you think we're going to learn, why you think it's important, and now that you have an idea about what it is you think we're going to learn, what is it you would like to learn about that? And then, of course, there's a PowerPoint for you to look over. In addition, I'm going to provide you a podcast, and there should also be some type of video instruction in there for the engagement section, which is what this video is doing. You'll see there's some individual routines for you to do, some on your own, of course. I'm going to do a few work togethers, not the traditional work together. I'm just going to do it on the computer with the videotape taping me doing it, with the camera taping me doing it, and you get to follow along, and then hopefully that'll help you do it on your own. And that's how this class is going to work from this point on. But there are some other things I want you to do while you're doing that. So if you go down to day 2, there's the on your owns, that you'll be responsible for, the 12 ones, 12 twos, the 12 threes. There's reflections at the end of every day. A reflection is nothing more than your daily diary of how you're taking responsibility for your education. No longer is the teacher there begging you to do things. So when I ask you about your attendance within this lesson, I want to know, are you attending to the lesson? Did you set aside a specific amount of time, patience, and effort so that you can get your activities done, so that you're engaging in the learning process? When I ask you about your productivity, are you getting the things done that I want you to have done daily? If I ask you about your quality of work, are you making sure they're right? Are you calling me and communicating, not calling me, but emailing me to let me know that, hey, Mr. Ma, I need you to reset this so I can do it again? Because again, you do these things as many times as you want. Let me be clear. None of these assignments can harm your grade. They can only boost your grade. So it's an excellent opportunity for not only you to learn new material, but to get the grade that you want. We're really trying to remove the grade chase and really engage in the learning process. So it's an excellent opportunity. But I just wanted you to see within the itinerary, it goes to day 4, and then there's day 5. And even in day 4, I got the Kahoot review for you that I showed you in the other videos. So make sure you get that done. But let's go all the way back up to the top. Let's take a quick look in our material section. Of course, material, we go to virtual lesson plans. In the virtual lesson plan, you get about 6 different folders. And then there's this engagement folder. Inside the engagement folder, my engagement for you this week is a quick video about payroll. Remember, the first time you click on the link, it's just a preview, and that usually doesn't work. So you have to click on payroll engagement again, and it takes you to an Edpuzzle. Watch the video, answer some questions. If you want to get a better grade on it, let me know. I'll reset it, and hey, let's have some fun. All right. Send me an email if you have any questions.